The income of Peter and Rosie are in the ratio 8 is to 11, and their expenditures are in the ratio 7 is to 10. If each of them saved rupees 500, what are their incomes and expenditure? Now, the income of Peter and Rosie is given to us in the ratio 8 is to 11. So we'll assume the income of Peter as 8x and income of Rosie as 11x. Now, the expenditure of Peter and Rosie is given to us in the ratio 7 is to 10. So we'll have to use a different variable over here. So expenditure of Peter we can say is equal to 7y and expenditure of Rosie will be equal to 10y. Now each of them saved rupees 500. Now we can have the equation as income minus savings is equal to expenditure. Now if we take this equation for both Peter and Rosie and take their ratio, it will become 8x, that is the income of Peter, minus 500 upon 11x minus 500 is equal to the expenditure of Peter, that is 7y, and expenditure of Rosie, that is 10y. So y gets cancelled. Now we can cross multiply. So this becomes 80x minus 5000 is equal to 77x minus 3500. So bringing all x on one side and the numbers on the other, we have 3x is equal to 1500. So therefore, x is equal to 500. So therefore, the income of Peter becomes 8x, that is 8 into 500, that is 4000. Income of Rosie becomes 11x, so 5500. Now we want their expenditures as well. So the expenditures of Peter will be 500 less. So therefore it will be 3500, and expenditure of Rosie will be 5000. So that will be our answers.